Bienvenidos a otra semana de estudiar español. Welcome to another week of studying Spanish. I hope you're all doing well, enjoying the sunshine that we've had after our snowy week last week. So, this on Monday, February 13th, is the beginning of week 3. So, I want to take a look at some of the things that you should be making sure you're doing. First of all, I am still updating things in the course, so you will see some things change along the way. But right now, here's the week 1 expectations. And then they were pretty simple expectations because people were just getting on and getting enrolled still during week 1, so I didn't put a lot in there, okay? It's between January 30th and February 3rd. I wanted you to just get in and access Rosetta Stone and make sure things worked and look through Bienvenidos and look through your everyday resources. That's what I expected for you for week 1. Notice here that it says view and view. That means you need to at least open these up and look at them, or you will not be allowed to go into the next everyday resources module. Okay? And then you see there's a prerequisite here of the welcome module that you are expected to at least have opened these. So in the everyday resources module, you're expected to at least view the teacher contact information, which is how to get a hold of me. And you'll see that I have uploaded a new LPC, the Learning Plan Contract, which guides you through week by week what you're supposed to do. And there's a new one there. This gives you some information about how you get notified once a month on your progress, and a little bit of the syllabi. The syllabus is here. Um, some things on Spanish accents are here. It gives you all the codes for writing the Spanish accents, and I do want you writing all the Spanish accents. Um, if you the codes are not working on a particular keyboard, what I do is I keep a copy of the just a word copy of all the Spanish accents, and I just copy and paste uh, an accented letter where I need it. Um, then you have sometimes have a workbook or answer keys also within the everyday resources, but usually also in the units I have your workbook and answer keys. So then we get on to week 2. You'll notice that I'm putting in learning targets and success criteria, and um, the basic outline each week is usually do your Rosetta Stone, then go in and do your workbook, check it with the answer key, do some reflection questions, and do a quiz. And sometimes there is something else for the week. Like this week, there's a getting started assignment that you need to submit, so you have to look at. I mean, that was last week for this week 2 here. Um, week 3 has the learning targets and it has workbook, answer key, reflection, and quiz. And again, it has view and at least how much that you need to score. And here are the learning targets. And so for this one, this is for Spanish 1.2, but it's the same type of thing in the other Spanish classes as well. So if you're in another Spanish class, you're going to have learning targets and success criteria as well. We'll tell you what you would expect for that week and what kind of core concepts you'll go over and what you should be doing. So the big thing that I want to say to everyone is that each week, start out by doing your Rosetta Stone assignment. Do not go in and do these workbooks or these quizzes without doing your Rosetta Stone assignment first. So for example, week 3, the Rosetta Stone assignment here is to do level 1. Here, actually, I'm going to go back to modules here because it just says it right in here, even without opening that up. You'll see, sorry. Week 3 is level 1, unit 4, lesson 2. This is level 1. This is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. So I'd have to click on unit 4 here. Let me see if I can click on unit 4 here. Yep. So that brings me into unit 4. And in unit 4, I should have already done lesson 1 in week 2, and now I'm in week 3 and I'm supposed to do all of lesson 2. So that means I do this core lesson plus I do all these little circles here. Okay? So we're going to end up going through all of this when you get to the end, and we're even going to do some of the games and activities by the time we're done with this unit. Okay? So each thing in there is going to be set up step by step for you. Follow it the way it's set up. View it if you need to, or you have to submit it on some of these and you have to meet a certain criteria in order to go on. If you have questions, I'm an email away or you can call me, okay? I hope you have a great week. Enjoy some of the sunshine that comes. We deserve it after so much snow and cold. And actually, next week, Monday and Tuesday is off, the 20th and the 21st on the President's Day holiday, okay? So enjoy and have a good week.